Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Florida for a little beach weekend trip. So excited, gonna go to Whole Foods, get some snacks for tonight, and maybe hit the beach, maybe. But I will give you guys a little tour of where I'm staying real quick, so let me show you. Alright, so here is the kitchen. This is like the little living room area. It's really cute. And then you step outside and it is the beautiful beach. I hope that it's like super sunny tomorrow because today it's like a little cloudy and I need to get a good tan. You feel? Okay, so this is my room up here. Excuse all my crap. The bathroom, and then this cute little mirror. This is my outfit today. It's not full length, but I really like this belt. It's from Princess Polly. It's really cute, and Cheetah's in, so. And I just got this new phone case in from Casetify. It is so cute, and I customized it to say stellar because stellar is my favorite word in the world if you haven't noticed that yet. So yeah, I think it's really, really cute. Okay, so they have juice on tap, and I literally think that's literally like the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life, so I have to get one. I got some pizza for dinner because it looked really, really good. I got a coconut from Whole Foods, and they had juice on tap, so that's that. I think it's like celery, apple, and maybe something else. Celery, apple, and cucumber and something. I don't know, but I also got some kombucha. Got a salad and some fruit. I picked up these leggings from Victoria's Secret. They were having a sale. They were like, I think 80 maybe. Yeah, they were originally 84 and today they have them on sale for $20. So I had to get this. And I got the matching sports bra to go with it as well. It's just hot pink. And I think this will look really good with the tan if I can get one tomorrow. And then I went to Lush and got a bath bomb. I don't know which one this one was, but it smells really good. I'll probably use that today. Oh my god, a dog. I just saw a dog and I want to go play with it. I will show you guys my outfit. My jeans are from Urban Outfitters, the belt's from Princess Polly, the shirt is from Forever 21, and then I have on my black and white checkered pants and the scrunchie from Paxson, but I'll try to show you guys like a full outfit. Good morning everyone. I just got up like an hour ago. I think we're gonna head out, go grab some breakfast at this really cute little like cafe. It was like right down the road, so we're gonna walk to that. And I think today we're just gonna spend most of the day at the beach. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing today. Let's see. Princess Polly. I think it says Sweet Dreams. And then I have my Fila sneakers on. And yeah, so that's what I'm wearing. And we're gonna go grab some breakfast. I really need a cold brew coffee ASAP. So that's what we're gonna go and do, and then maybe come back and hang out at the beach or something and go out later. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me. The beach looks so beautiful this morning. I cannot wait to get out there and get my tan on. Okay, but now for real, now we're going to breakfast. I can actually get a tan. So I've been on the beach for maybe about like 4 hours, feeling a little bit sunburnt, but it was like a private beach and there wasn't really many people people on it, and then all of a sudden, everybody in America just starts rolling in. As you can see, I have no idea where they came from. I think we're gonna go and try and get some lunch somewhere. There's this really cute like beach restaurant I think we're gonna go to. Also this swimsuit, it's a rib top and it has high-waisted bottoms. I'll show you more when we get inside, but it is from Nasty Gal. Really like it, super cute. I don't know if they still have it available. I got it like a few months ago, so if it is available, I will link it down below for you guys. I'm gonna go take a quick shower real quick and freshen up so we can go out to lunch. So we just got back from lunch and it was so good. I had a chicken salad stuffed avocado. And if you know me, you know I love avocados. Guys, I am so sunburnt. Wow. Here for a few days and then I literally have to go back home and repack to leave to go to Nashville. So my week is very busy, like literally the moment I get back, pack super quick, then leave to go to Nashville for a few days. But it should be really fun and I'm excited, but a very busy week ahead of me. You guys, I'm so burnt, it's not even funny. Last night was miserable trying to sleep like this. Every way I would turn in the middle of the night, I would wake up going, ah! But anyways, I woke up at like 7 this morning because it sounded like an actual hurricane was outside the window. It was horrible sounding and it was really bad weather, but it just cleared up. So I think we're gonna like try to go and head home and then I have to go repack, go to Nashville. I'm so tired. I guess I'm gonna try to sleep in the car because I didn't get much sleep the past few days. But you can see the weather isn't looking all that great. Probably go grab a coffee or something and then head back home and then pack for the next trip.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.